You are sitting in the hot seat for an elite data engineering interview. The hiring manager stares across the table and asks one specific question. Why does Lasso create sparsity while Ridge cannot? Most candidates panic and start drawing intersecting shapes on the whiteboard. They miss the underlying mathematical truth. In a computer, there is a functional difference between a microscopic fraction, like 0.0001, and the number exactly 0. One of these algorithms successfully reaches that 0 mark, while its twin gets eternally trapped in an infinite approach. Understanding why that happens requires looking past the basic definitions and into the actual calculus of the optimization. Consider the data required to diagnose a rare disease. You might measure thousands of distinct genetic markers across thousands of patients, hunting for a specific biological trigger. The problem is that out of those thousands of traits, maybe only 3 genes actually cause the illness. The rest are irrelevant noise variables, distractions that the algorithm cannot naturally distinguish from the critical biological signals. Processing petabytes of this useless information makes the system slow and computationally expensive. The model is forced to constantly calculate and store values for every single irrelevant metric in the dataset. The natural instinct is to use an algorithm that shrinks the weight of these noisy variables. You add a penalty to the model, hoping that making the bad input smaller will solve the processing problem without having to manually delete anything. But even billions of tiny microscopic variables still drain memory. For a system to be truly efficient, it needs a mathematical mechanism that recognizes noise and removes it from the calculation entirely. This is the limit of ridge regression. Think of ridge as a heavy lifter that tackles every single data variable in your set at the same time. Ridge uses an L2 penalty, which squares the coefficients. It penalizes large distractions heavily, but barely squeezes the tiny ones. This forces every feature to share the load, shrinking them all down together without ever throwing one out. Look at the denominator of the ridge formula. The penalty parameter sits on the bottom, inflating the variance term. As that denominator grows, the coefficient shrinks into a tiny fraction. It gets microscopically small, but mathematically, it never hits exactly 0. Because ridge is incapable of hitting that 0 mark, the system remains bloated. Your model is forced to carry the computational weight of every useless feature indefinitely. Lasso regression is the ruthless counter-approach. Lasso acts like a digital bouncer, applying a constant downward pressure to every variable. It does not care if the weight of the feature was large or tiny. It pushes with equal force until the variable hits 0. This creates sparsity. Because Lasso subtracts the penalty directly in the numerator, it creates a hard mathematical boundary. If the penalty is larger than the correlation, the math forces a complete stop, locking the coefficient at exactly 0. Sparsity acts as an uncompromising filter. By forcing those coefficients to 0, Lasso permanently deletes useless features from the model to save processing power and memory. We can see this logic in the geometric arena where these algorithms operate. On the left is the physical boundary for ridge, and on the right is the boundary for Lasso. Your model error forms expanding circular ripples. Because the ridge boundary is a perfectly smooth sphere, those error ripples slide cleanly along its curves. They find a stopping point that usually leaves both coefficients alive and non-zero. Now look at the Lasso diamond. Its sharp corners sit exactly on the axes of the grid. When the error ripples expand, they are highly likely to strike one of these protruding points first. When the ripple hits that sharp corner, the solution locks onto the axis. By definition, any point on an axis means the other coordinates must be 0. One variable survives while the others vanish instantly. It is this physical, geometric sharpness, the presence of harsh corners where the derivative is undefined, that causes mathematical erasure and creates sparsity. The real-world result of this geometry is a clean model. A massive, tangled cloud of noisy variables vaporizes, leaving behind only the essential signals that drive the prediction. This filtering allows researchers to isolate 3 disease-causing genes out of thousands, or helps engineers strip away the fat from massive data pipelines to make them run faster and cost less. Understanding the geometric logic behind these penalties allows you to diagnose exactly how a model is handling its features from first principles. In an age of infinite noise, the most effective systems aren't the ones that try to remember everything. They are the ones with the ruthless courage to forget.